Welcome back to Average Mike's, guys, and today we tackle the grout on our newly installed Backsplash. Welcome back, everybody, and like I said, today we have our bucket, we have our grouts, and we have our sponge. And this is the pre-mixed grout already, so literally just gonna go right out of the can, right onto the wall. We have our Grout Float somewhere. I don't know where exactly that is, but we will get that. And then basically, yeah, just spread it on, wipe it off, and we'll see how it goes. I'm gonna try to do sections at a time, just so it doesn't harden up. You know, if I did the whole thing all at once, it would harden up. It'd be harder to wipe off. So we'll be constantly changing out the water of our bucket here, and yeah. So why don't we just get right into it? All right, so we went ahead and made sure that all the grout, where the grout's gonna go in, there's no cement sticking out past, you know, flush here. That way the grout will be what you see and not little pieces of cement sticking out. We also have, what we're gonna end up doing is putting some grout on our sponge here, doing a 45 at a diagonal like this, getting it in, trying to get it in every single groove here, and then we'll take a 90-degree angle to kind of clean it off. And then after we get done about 10 square feet, just like the instructions say, we're going to take our sponge and wipe off the excess. You can do this kind of right away, but you don't want to wait too long because it'll harden and it'll be harder to wipe off. So, and then we'll constantly be changing our water to make sure that this is a clean sponge. And in the end, all said and done, you won't have very much haze if you keep the water clean to where you have to wipe it off again. So, all right, so let's start applying this grout here. Okay guys, first pass is done, at least for this section here. As you can see, turned out pretty good. You just got to keep the sponge flat as possible, and just make sure that, you know, some of the lines where it might, you know, the transition here between the mosaic, I guess, I don't know, and the regular tile, you just have to make sure that the grout line is not covering up one or the other. And along with in here too, you don't want it to kind of like right here, it's a little filled up a little too much. You just want to make sure it's a nice even line of grout all the way around and along the bottom here as well. So all in all, it's pretty good. You can always go back and touch it up once it dries a little bit. There's, like, I did see, which I'm gonna, a little spot here where it kind of didn't fill in, so I'm gonna go back to that. But yeah, we'll just keep going down the line. Looks pretty good. Alright guys, we are complete all the way around with the grouting. As you saw in the videos, it now has been 24 hours, and I can just quick go through and wipe down any excess stuff that might still be on there, on the tiles where we don't want it. So, but that's pretty simple. I'm not going to go ahead and show you that. It's just literally washing the wall. And so this video is short and sweet. We got everything we wanted to accomplish in a fairly short amount of time. Grouting really isn't that difficult. It's just a matter of making sure you get all the nooks and crannies in between the tiles and what have you. So if you like this video, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button, turn on those post notifications, so when I post another video, who knows, it might be a giveaway video. I don't know. We're creeping up that 600 mark, but it will inform you or pop up and tell you I post a new video. So go ahead and give a like. If you like, comment below. It'd be awesome. Let me know if I did good, bad, whatever. And I guess I'll catch you guys on the next one. Later.